Today, we will learn how to make an illusion effect like this only from CapCut. So first we need a clip where our hands take a product like this. Then the second clip is a clip where our hands hold a mobile phone and a green screen image. For this second clip, you are free to use a photo or a video file. Here I use a photo file. We will overlay the second clip earlier, then we will move it. We will slide it forward. After that, we will remove the green color from the green screen by selecting Cut Out, Chroma key. Select the green color. Set the intensity and shadows just to make it as neat as possible. We will copy the first clip and then we overlay it. Again, after that we slide it and place it under the green screen clip earlier. Next step, we will choose Cut Out, then select the Customize Cutout. Then select the brush. Now here we will look for a clip where there is a hand in frame with the products. Use the brush earlier, then draw it for the hand and the product, because we only need just the hands and the product to create an illusion effect like before. You can also adjust the brush size via the brush size option. If so, the program will automatically set it to remove the background and only separate the hands and the product. When it's finished, the result is that you will get an effect like this. Don't forget to subscribe for the next tutorial. If you have requested what kind of tutorial you want, just write it down at the comment. Thank you.